घर जा रहे हैं?
हाँ घर जा रहे हैं।
ये मेरी टी शर्ट चूज थी, ये पता नहीं क्यों। तो हम लोग बस ऑलमोस्ट पहुंच चुके हैं जैकलीन मैम के घर पे। मस्ती करेंगे और एक फन एक्टिविटी प्लान है, वो वहीं जाके बताएंगे क्या प्लान है। और मैं सोया बहुत कम हूँ तो मुझे अब नींद आ रही है। सुबह नींद खुल गई, भैया आ गए थे घंटी बजाए उन्होंने, मैं कहा चल खोल देता हूँ। उसके बाद फिर नींद ही नहीं आया, मैं कहा छोड़ो। फिर मैं भी काम करने लग गया, मैंने ब्लॉग एडिट किया डाल दिया। देखो पूरी शर्ट चूज डाली, पापा के शूट में शर्ट गीली आएगी। मैंने रितु से कहा रितु भाई जा रहे हैं, खा लिया अच्छा लगता कुछ ले आ। तो गई तो थी मिठाई की दुकान पे, लेकिन पता नहीं कौन सी मिठाई की दुकान पे चली गई है। बहुत देर हो गई भैया, अभी निकल लिया। आधा घंटा वेट
ऑटो
किया,
करके गया, ऑटो करके आया।
भाई तो फिर पहले से गया था, कुछ लाए भी नहीं, आधा घंटा आपने वेट भी किया।
तो लेकिन जब नहीं है अच्छा भाई, वो पैक ही करके ऐसे अच्छे महंगी थाली, लेकिन पैक ऐसे करा वो बिल्कुल।
हाँ बेटा आने वाला है बेटा, जब से तुम गाड़ी अरे आने वाला, जैसी गाड़ी में बैठते हैं आने वाला आने वाला। देखो लेकिन याद है मैंने कहा जैकलीन हम क्या जा रहे हैं, वो जो डेजर्ट में मिली थी जब पानी पानी शूट की थी, याद है हम यहाँ मिले थे।
तो पूरे दिन जाते हैं। पापा पहुंच गए।
बेटा जब पहुंच जाएंगे ना तो भैया अपने आप गाड़ी रोक देंगे, समझ जाना पहुंच गए।
कितना बड़ा
अंदर आओ जल्दी अंदर।
तो आप चलो
Sorry, I was just getting ready on Savannah.
निकालो। हाँ वेरी गुड।
And the little one, there she is.
Just come from home. Oh my god. Where is she? Who is she?
The princess. Did she not say
The
princess?
queen. She said queen.
Is she?
Oh, she's smiling. Oh, she likes it.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You know why she's so happy? Because you're her big sister.
Yeah, that's why she's so.
She can't. Is it because you're her big sister? Are you always gonna make her laugh?
Yeah.
You're making her laugh. Look, she's laughing.
She's laughing. Gosh. Oh my god. You know, we are so sorry. We got a little late. We wanted to bring something for you. We stopped by at several places, but we didn't find much.
Guys, don't be silly. Do you remember that song, Pani Pani?
So literally,
She remembers very well. She was like, we are going to meet Jacqueline ma'am.
Yeah.
We met her in desert, right?
Pani Pani. You remember?
Yeah, I just got pregnant back then. I remember, yeah.
Yes. Behu.
yummy chocolate shake.
Are you on a diet?
No, she only eats healthy food.
We make very healthy chocolate shake.
Remember the chocolate shake is
With
so
broccoli and egg whites.
What are you laughing at? You want healthy chocolate shake? Okay, what do you want?
I want to broccoli.
You want to what?
Broccoli.
Broccoli?
Broccoli's not okay.
You want
Do you want? There is fresh one in her garden. There.
Yeah, you want to see my garden?
Come, you can get all the healthiest food. Come.
Not broccoli, but I'll show you some other food.
We are doing a video
Okay.
with Shan and Jacqueline. Shan will do a look on Jacqueline. He's my teacher today. He's my teacher for the day.
Yes.
He will brief me before he starts on Jacqueline, and then I will try the same look on my wife Ritu. And we'll see
So
food.
you were turning makeup artist today.
Yes.
Yes, don't take away all my job though. You have such a huge number. So please, I hope he does a bad job so that Jackie doesn't say from I don't want Shanu. Gotta give me your dates for.
When people will see the results on me now, Shan, you're not getting any work for
No,
sure.
but listen, we have to do the Sophie look of Bachchan Pandey because that's something he can easily do and it's a really nice look.
What
so,
is-
which I feel we need to speak out and do the Sophie look.
But why don't you tell them what is the Sophie look?
Yes.
That's on the table.
Okay.
This look on.
So we are going to try
Super fresh. It's Sophie look, but there is a difficult winged eyeliner which is going to be quite difficult.
Nothing
And
is
the hair.
difficult for me, Shan.
Oh my god, I'm scared. Should I teach all the secrets? Let me just remove some of her makeup because we came from promotion. Then otherwise you're for. Oh, everyone will be saying, "Kya fake hai?" We are not like every actor where we put makeup on and we show that there is makeup, no makeup. So we remove it a little bit that.
To be fair, I should get some leverage.
Why?
Why? Because I'm doing it for the first time.
There is a competition between Shan and Gaurav.
हिंदी में बात करने का
Hindi movie.
शूट करो या हिंदी में मेरा पहला ट्यूटोरियल में जाकिन हिंदी come on
हाँ तो हम हिंदी में ट्राई करेंगे, ठीक है?
हाँ जी
हिंदी में मेकअप को क्या कहते हैं? हिंदी में मेकअप को क्या कहते हैं?
इतना हिंदी नहीं आता।
Okay,
ये कौन सा सामान है? मेकअप का सामान है? चम्मच है ये।
Makeup. So banana ऊपर.
बनाना ऐसा होता है ना, ऐसा।
There we go. See, this is going to be the best.
नहीं, शान
Hindi ka tutorial.
16 साल से मेकअप कर रहे हैं, हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं?
something with chum. Wait, it's chum.
चम से तो बिल्कुल नहीं होता है।
चमत्कार.
आपको याद है?
साज सज्जा का सामान है और क्या?
साज
सज्जा का सामान।
हाँ, मुझे भी नहीं पता था।
श्रृंगार श्रृंगार श्रृंगार।
So we are all set. तो शान अभी जैकलिन का मेकअप उतार रहे हैं। मैं वहाँ पे बैठ सकूँ, जैकलिन यहाँ पे
No,
बैठी
so we have a level playing field. Article number 14 of Constitution of India says law is equal for same, hence makeup is also equal for same. So Jacqueline is getting into the same level field as Ritu is.
लेकिन यार ये अन्याय है मेरे साथ। हम तो इक्वल पे आ गए, लेकिन जो करने वाला वो तो इक्वल पे नहीं है ना, वो टूटा है। सही में थोड़ा ढंग का करियो प्लीज।
मार देंगे, मार देंगे।
The day when we met at Pani wala the sets, so like I was hesitating to film you because I was like, yeah, I don't know if you would like it or you don't like it, but then you were like, come, and I was like, अरे यार, she's so
Actually, बचपन से परिवार की वजह से, I think upbringing की वजह से मैं humble हूँ, क्योंकि अगर मैं you know, if I tried to even act smart even once, my father would like give me the biggest lecture. They were not strict as parents, but एक ही चीज़, you know, that I remember, मुझे याद है कि my parents always used to tell me कि like don't be rude to people. Struggle से बहुत like सीखते हैं.
I think Jackie completely is her dad, and that's in their blood. She's just being a very nice person. And she says, I have met many girls and boys struggling for 16 years. There were actresses in Bollywood 7 years before when I started blogging. They banned me. They banned me. They didn't ban me. Matlab, they said 7 years before when I started blogging. They said we would like to work with Shan,
हंसते
but
थे, मतलब
not only that, there were actresses who said
Hindi, Shan,
openly.
Hindi.
मेरे को बोला था आप उस लोगों को मैनेजर्स, मेरा मैनेजर्स को बोलो, मेरा मैनेजर को बोला that शान कैमरा के साथ आ रहा है और हमको बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं क्योंकि she doesn't want anything. But 7 साल पहले there was no social media. The funny part is आजकल वो same actresses इतना social media के लिए run कर रहा है and मैं बहुत खुश है that I didn't stop and I went to the old school system. मैं इसके साथ था और सच्ची बता रहा I know her more than 10 years and I worked with a lot of actresses. I love them all, but why I have been for 8 years with her is the same answer what you said. It's the niceness. Whatever she goes through, whatever problem she is, I was telling to her new manager also and to my niece also here that whatever she goes through, she doesn't show that on the set or she never shows it on, like I have even put a reel, if you guys have seen it on my Instagram,
नहीं देखा.
on one of the birthday of her life.
किसी ने कोई नहीं देखा.
You know which one I'm talking about?
शान क्या हिंदी बोल रहा है? वाह शान।
अरे मेरा हिंदी बहुत खराब है. On her first of the birthday, she was smiling and she was making us all feel so good and she was giving 2 hours extra to the brand and that's when I respect her every day. But she breaks down also, guys. Come on, that's the worst. She breaks down
of course.
triple
It's not
time than
easy.
the normal person because she keeps it so long.
गाड़ी में ब्रेकडाउन वगैरह मैं इसके ऊपर। She went to bring a gift for you. अच्छा यार, let's go, let's take something. अच्छा नहीं लगता। Half an hour she's gone. ऑटो भी करके चली गई, उधर भी चली गई, हल्दीराम भी चली गई, जूली शॉप भी चली गई। मैंने कहा she will bring something. She came, कुछ नहीं मिला।
Because
That's fine. You guys are here. That's most
But
important.
मैंने कहा शान से 7 साल पहले सोशल मीडिया नहीं थी तो व्लॉग्स हम अपलोड कहाँ करते थे?
क्या? And then I used to, हम 14 घंटा we used to work on set. I used to sleep for 2 घंटा. उसके बाद
For like years.
at least
शान
5
की
years.
बहुत ज़्यादा हिंदी निकल रही है। I used to go there, I used to come home, sleep for 2 घंटा।
2 घंटा मैं
No, I
सोता
don't
था.
really have a guy, but I used to come and do it for 1 घंटा। Only the घंटा हजार coming in Hindi. Only the घंटा हजार in Hindi. कॉफी कैपुचिनो विद ओट मिल्क। तो उन्होंने सुना भी नहीं होगा ओट मिल्क क्या होता है। बड़ी कॉफ़ी है बड़े लोगों की। जैकलीन क्या ना कैट्स बहुत हैं तो फ्लोरिंग ब्राउन। Jacqueline, when I came, so your cat was on the floor.
Yeah.
Exactly matching the floor color. I was like, Rashi, don't mistake her for the carpet.
8 cats.
8?
Yeah.
Wow.
You don't realize it, but they're all over the place.
एक वो वाइट वाली, एक वो टेबल पे वहाँ पे, हाँ?
अरे हाँ यहाँ पे
एक वो बास्केट में।
Oh, I didn't see.
So 10 minutes eyes and 5 minutes lips.
That's it. We are going to do, because we came from promotions of Bachchan Pandey, right now we are going to do just the eye makeup and the lips of Bachchan Pandey and the hair, which is going to be very, very special, which you have to do also in 2 minutes hair, 3 minutes lips and 10 minutes for the
Hey,
eyes.
why do you take 1 hour to get ready then?
That's enough.
If she's
That's
getting ready
enough.
in 10 plus 5 plus 2, 7.
Now, when you have Gaurav doing your makeup, you're gonna take only 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Only difference would be when I will go out, people will be like, ah!
Make me proud. I need to get a lot of students. Come on, Gaurav. Bachchan Pandey में बहुत cute सा eyeliner है, बस छोटा विंक है, इतना आसान है,
गौरव
वो
कर
हो
सकता
सकता
है, हाँ, कर
बड़ा
सकता है।
लंबा वाला eyeliner नहीं है।
बहुत मजा सबसे डिफिकल्ट वाला दे दो। सबसे लास्ट और सबसे लेटेस्ट गाना आपका फेवरेट? क्योंकि लोग लगता है कि एक्टर्स मतलब स्ट्रगल नहीं करते एंड एक्चुअली एक हर एक्टर के लिए एक शुरुआत है। तो आई थिंक कि अभी जब सक्सेस होता है तो देन देयर लाइक एवरीवन वो सब स्ट्रगल भूल जाते हैं। लेकिन हर जैसे मेरे साथ एक शुरुआत है, एक स्ट्रगल है एंड इन अ लाइन लाइक द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री टू बिकम एक्टर बनने के लिए वो अभी भी स्ट्रगल है। अभी भी स्ट्रगल है।
Of course, if you want to grow, every
Constant.
time you constantly, you have to work harder and harder. Yeah.
There's
There
no
is no
shortcuts.
full stop.
There's no full stop. Let's go.
Ready?
So we are starting now.
Ready? I'm so excited to teach Gaurav. Gaurav.
How we're gonna
हाँ,
show you.
सुन लो ध्यान से पहले देखो.
फिर हाँ।
So closing the eyes, you see the socket. There is the socket which we have to color, and then you elongate the side to make
Sir, I
the
have a
eyes.
question.
Yes.
But when open your eyelids, that eyelid का पीछे वाला goes पीछे ना, तो it is not visible. Why do you do it?
No, it's visible.
It's very visible. That gives.
My question is when you blink your eyes, it's like less than half a second. तो उस half a second के लिए इतनी मेहनत छोड़ रही तू?
जरूर है.
17 minutes minus 3 minutes हो गए.
Already. So many. This student has so
No
many questions.
shortcuts, okay?
Show me your socket. Show me your socket.
And give it a.
अरे आँख बंद करना भाई, आँख
रेखा में. नहीं नहीं.
Not bad. उधर न मत आ जाओ. उधर मत आ जाओ.
सीधा eye socket only. Not the electrical socket, guys.
No.
Eye
And
socket.
then you push it out. You push it out.
Oh, the cat eye. Huh?
Oh my God! I'm very
Wait
impressed.
till we get to eyeliner, Gaurav.
Oh my God! All right.
Can I see the socket? Not
Not bad. Oh my God! Yeah, perfect. He's getting it right.
Oh no! Oh, you need to bring finger. Good.
Only if I get to hang out with Jackie.
Don't worry.
All right, Ritu.
Now
Let's
I
make
know.
content together. Huh? Let him hang out with Jackie, and we create content for us.
सॉकेट ही छोटा आँख वाला, उनका सॉकेट इतना बड़ा आराम से लगा सकता है शान.
Oh!
मेरा सबसे छोटा socket है यार.
Learn from this. Now we take the same color. Corner. So I go from outer corner to inner corner. So exactly. Oh my God. Gaurav is killing it.
No, I need more.
Oh my God, he wants even more color. Oh, I love it.
अंदर नहीं करना, बाहर हाँ.
Have a handful.
And I'm loving it. I like it.
This
So
thing
you
you're
know,
doing. Oh my
first he
goodness.
did eyes.
My God, is it not amazing?
It's amazing. He's doing it more professionally than like you, Shan.
Yeah. I'm telling you, I have a few.
Shan, don't disturb me.
What a student.
This is Shan. This is Shan's.
I need my hands steady, Shan.
Yes.
Oh my God. What
He's
a,
already taken over. What a student. He's even shouting at the teacher.
can you believe what I'm going
Because
through?
he needs concentration.
Maybe Jackie would replace you with Gaurav.
Oh my God, Jackie.
100%.
How do we blend it?
This eye Gaurav has done very, very well, but eyes has to be always uplifted. So take an earbud and clean the
Yeah,
excess
upar.
out. God, do you draw though, Gaurav?
He's a perfectionist.
Do you draw?
I used to do.
Ah, I can see that. This is not becoming a funny video. It's actually becoming a very serious video now. Now I am not letting it go.
You wait and see now what.
Take it nicely. You can take a lot of the product because in the end, yeah, it's actually free. That's also true. It's for free.
Use as much as you
As
want.
much
Take
you
it home
want.
also.
And only touch it in the front of the eye and just till the half. And with the finger, I'm cleaning and bringing it to.
And till half.
Oh my God, I can't believe. I think he's my best student.
Maybe I would feel, oh yeah, I'm looking so pretty.
Hey, don't.
Oh my God. Jackie is a strict makeup artist though.
I love it.
The problem is when I do lip liner, it's the time when Jackie wants to eat food, make her calls, everything exactly when the lip liner time comes. So now is the
Now
most
is the
important.
true test.
Because
Now is the
Bachchan
true
Pandey
test.
has this beautiful eyeliner which all you girls should do and you too do when you go out.
ये बहुत ध्यान से देखना ये पूरा look खराब कर
This
देगा
is your test actually, guys.
So, and I start drawing. Then you ask Ritu to look to the side, how Jackie does. And then from the inner corner to the outer corner, I connect. That's it. But it has to be a nice almondy shaped line. Seriously.
ध्यान से
Huh?
बिगाड़ नहीं
अरे
देना
चुप कर यार.
Fast! We were supposed to finish in 10 minutes.
Close your eyes.
Left hand, no. With your left hand, you hold the eyebrow up like this. Yes. And then make a side corner like an almond. Yes. Oh! No.
No, I'll cover it up.
Listen, Gaurav, did you do eye makeup before? You
No.
still do it
Now you
very
are
well for the
exaggerating.
first time.
मेरे को आइडिया नहीं था कि ये ना कितना ज़्यादा फैल जाता है.
The ends, but I'm still impressed. It's see how nicely he did even.
Now once you go
He did-
over that and connect it,
Now
proper.
you can go from here and it's always easier. Yeah, out, thin. I want to take this. But you did an amazing job. My God. You are fantastic
Can you-
with makeup.
yeah, actually this side is easier.
हाँ.
Yeah. Makeup remover on an earbud, you can like clean, correct, whatever. But I don't think you need it.
हाँ. I also don't think I need it. I cannot do better than this.
Looks similar. Not bad. For 10 minutes.
not bad yeah
See, I think I like that one better.
Oh, really? Okay. Ritu, tomorrow we have to. Everyone does this all the time. It's really bad for the
Oh, really?
mascara.
I always used to do that.
No, it takes away the pressure and it becomes dry. And you ask your artist to look down and you start going to the roots. I mean, Gaurav sir, you're my teacher now. Can you believe, Jackie?
Artist, look down.
Close.
No. He's going exactly where it needs to
Yeah?
go. Any closer, he'll be in her eye.
Jackie, stay on my side, man. Oh my God, he's such a strict teacher.
He's such a
professional.
Good.
Good?
The inner artist is coming out now.
not bad no
Dab it from the inner corner. Yeah.
And-
And you did the placement so right because usually even makeup artists go down, but you haven't gone down. You are staying in the right space. Jackie, I think he is.
Shan, stop talking. Yeah, stop talking now.
Yes. Exactly. From there, smile.
You wanted to, yeah.
The
Look at the strokes.
fabulous.
Look at the strokes. like a master.
I love this job.
Oh
You
my
love
gosh.
the job? Oh my God, I love you. Huh?
सोचा नहीं था इतना अच्छा कर लोगे
Next.
Next, oh my God.
अच्छा किया है यार बहुत अच्छा किया है
And we're almost done. Imagine.
Only last night was
I slept at 5:30 and got up at 8:30. I slept just 3 hours.
once.
I was meeting her, so मेरे को नींद ही नहीं आई.
Less time, less sleep. Look what an amazing job he did. Shan.
I just want to say one thing. I thought I'm going to get more followers who loves makeup from his channel, but now the makeup lovers will not come only.
Flush भूल गए, ये भूल गए. ऐसा रोज ऐसा है.
Jackie, you can blend it with your fingers.
हाँ,
Pushing
blending
it
it
the
makes good,
product.
यार.
And trust me, fingers are always the best. Gaurav is doing it so well with the fingers. Nice. Look at you guys.
Wow.
Is it nice?
हाँ it is nice
Really nice.
और मेरे लिप्स छोटे हैं तो आपको थोड़ा ध्यान से करना
Oh,
तो थोड़ा
don't
tricks
worry.
सिखाएंगे.
Yeah, it's the last part already. So the lower lid also goes in. The lip liner on your hands. No, start at the V. Do you like more pouty lips or do you like more? You like it pouty. What about you? Pouty?
On her.
On her? Oh my God! But not bad, Gaurav. But you are a painter. You are a painter. What did you say right now, Jackie? This is what the students. You know, now I understand why students always bitches out teachers behind their back.
Wow, I am loving it.
Okay, this is the best I can do.
And now once the lipstick goes on and it
Not
blends.
bad, but you have made it smaller, but it's okay.
Well, listen, he did a fabulous job.
So he's about keeping you the way you are.
Yeah, it is. It's amazing.
From tomorrow, no makeup.
And I'm going to take it only at the middle.
शान को faffing बहुत पसंद है. Faffing का मतलब क्या कि बात मतलब पानी पीते, कॉफी पीते.
Oh, really?
Actually 20 मिनट का makeup he finishes in like 2 घंटे.
दो बट सच्ची बता रहा था बहुत एक्ट्रेस के साथ अलग अलग है बट विद जैकी ट्रस्ट मी शी इज वन पर्सन एक दो पिंपल से उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं शी इज अ पर्सन हु ऑलवेज सेज शान कीप इट एज नेचुरल एज यू वांट
Like very
There's less.
minimal makeup on her.
Really?
And she's looking like perfect.
purple and pink it's in the middle of the lips and this finger yes
छोटे छोटे ब्लेंड कहाँ से करूँ?
मुझे conscious मत करो.
फेंकवा.
एकदम sitting next to Jackie. ऊपर से.
Shan has more surface here to work with.
पतियों को ना husbands को अपनी बीवी ऐसे ही लगती है.
बहुत अच्छी है.
use the product all right I think you did
Shan
the
did
Sophie
something
look.
with the tissue and he didn't teach me.
Oh my God! All right.
I saw it.
Soft way, you dab it and push in the product in skin
I
like
don't
that.
think I need it.
Oh my God! You didn't need it.
No, perfect. Again, Gaurav. I mean,
Do I need?
No, you don't need. I was wrong. So done with the masterclass.
We are saving tissue paper.
so I had to reach the airport at 5 a.m. I left at 5 a.m.
From here because we had to
You are
cover the
so
hair
us.
again and again.
Yes, you have not subscribed for it, but it's okay.
Oh my God! Gaurav, you didn't subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to this.
Oh, like that. I was getting. Oh.
देखो कितने ध्यान से देख रही है. Let's see if you.
In the hair. The Sophie iconic look. Come on.
अच्छे से करना.
Even Mark became a teacher. Come on, Mark. Show. Karo. I think you take too much of dumbbells.
Oh sorry. I'm getting a holy vibe.
No, it's the Sophie vibe. It's the.
Much better. This one is much better. Much better this one. यार मेरे को आइडिया नहीं था ना मैं कुछ ज़्यादा हो गया.
Sir, you liked it? Did you like the Sophie look we created for Bachchan Pandey? Yeah? And you have done such an amazing work. I need to say, this is amazing. So,
Jackie has spilled the beans. This side is the difficult side.
This is a very difficult side to do makeup, by the way. You're supposed to be on this side.
Yes,
when
and
you
I'm
were
right.
doing-
I had
So
to
you
reach
had to
that side.
bend your arm and Ritu's
Yes.
face and like seriously.
break with the same
And I'm non-flexible anyway, so.
So there we
Not
go.
flexible.
And on top of that, Gaurav, you did amazing makeup.
oh my God.
So yeah.
Guys, anyone wants makeup and hair, Gaurav is better. He's amazing. Our sense of birthright.
अच्छा लगा mom. सच में इतना अच्छा लगा. I cannot believe. I would never expect this from a.
And those kids came and they were like, listen, are you Shanu? And I thought, okay, of course. She posts so much about me every day. And she was like, no, I've seen you in your guys' video, Gaurav. And I was like, like this page. And I was like, wow, that's one video. And the kid in Ooty was like,
Sean
yeah.
was like, those kids took pictures with me. I was like, oh, really? They were waiting in the lobby. Yeah, I know. Even I gave. They're like, Jackie, it's not for you or anybody. It was.
That's so,
I was like, what? One more time.
guys, for YouTube, we need a group picture.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Let all the
चले बच्चों चले.
bye. Thank you so much.
रितु का फोन छूट गया था अंदर. मैं कहा कुछ छोड़ ही देता दोबारा आने का मौका मिल जाएगा.
Wow. हमारे हिंदी कैसा था फाइनली?
बहुत अच्छा
बहुत
था.
अच्छा था.
Yes. So I told Jackie that she should speak more Hindi and people should know that she speaks amazing Hindi.
ठीक है, I will. आज से मैं शुरू करूँगी.
हिंदी चैनल में हिंदी में बात करें.
हाँ, बस हिंदी.
बस हिंदी में.
Shanmu Hindi, new channel.
न्यू चैनल. शानू का नया हिंदी. 1 घंटा. 1 घंटा.
2 घंटा.
भाषा भी यहाँ
बादशाह भैया थोड़ी ना थे इसमें।
ये पानी पानी थोड़ा ना था, पानी तो पी गए हम. वो तो पेट में गया.
हम जैकली के घर थे बट बादशाह भैया कहाँ थे?
बादशाह भैया पानी पानी नेक्स्ट वाला सॉन्ग की तैयारी कर रहे थे बेटा.
कुछ आई कर रहे हैं।
तैयारी करने बेटा ऐसा होगा.
कहाँ बादशाह?
अपने घर पे होंगे.
वाह
हाँ
वाह।
वो उनका घर थोड़ी ना अपने घर. आज के व्लॉग को करते हैं यहाँ पे समाप्त. आई होप आपको व्लॉग अच्छा लगा होगा. मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया जैकलिन के साथ शूट करके. शी वाज सो वार्म. अपना ख्याल रखें. हमारी जो हालत फटी हुई है बिकॉज आई स्लेप्ट जस्ट 3 hours लास्ट नाइट और अभी भी ऑलमोस्ट 12:30 हो चुका है. सोते हैं. आपसे मिलेंगे कल. बाय.